4 scary good ways to show off your company culture on Instagram. Without a fun, engaging culture, your team members won't be invested in your success, and potential hires will come running to your door. You have to incorporate your company culture into your social media strategy, too. Showing off your culture isn't just essential for potential employees. Because when they see your employees having a great experience and when they see you being personal, they know that you're real and that they can trust you. I would follow a company that shares real photos over the company that only posts posts and stock photos every day. So when employees are treated well and love what they do, they will usually produce better quality work for them. It's essential for your current employees to feel like they are a part of something. When they see themselves in posts, or they see something they want to reshare, they feel like they belong. When people feel like they belong, and they are making an impact, they will be happier and produce better work. Showing off your culture is also great for potential employees because they want to work in places that have an awesome company culture. Unless they're a robot, they want to work for a place that will value them as an employee and as a person. By seeing you on social media, they will know it's not just something you say you have, but it is something that you do have. So now that you know why it's important to highlight your company culture, what are some ways to actually highlight it? Let me tell you a few of the ways that we highlight our company culture on Instagram here at ROI Online. 1. Employee spotlights. Anytime we get a new employee, hire an intern, or have an employee's birthday, we give the team members some love with employee spotlight posts. With this, we like to ask an employee to submit a photo of themselves, so they actually feel a picture that is very genuine. That's going to tell me what facts about themselves they love most about their life. Once I get off their info, I make a fun post. Kid on the block or highlighting their work. Not only are these posts super fun and engaging for the team member that's being showcased, but they also allow customers to really get to know the people they work with and give prospective employees a chance to meet their future coworkers. If you like this content, be sure to click on the subscribe button. If you enjoy reading, I wrote a book. It's about the forgotten fundamentals of marketing, The Golden Toilet by Steve Brown. Get it today on Amazon, https://amazon.com/pj837. 2. Behind the scenes post. Just snap some quality shots of whatever you are working on and bam, you've got some content that people will love to see and your employees will be a part of. Here are a few of the behind the scenes posts I've shared out on our social media. They show how hard our team members work, which is always a plus. 3. User-generated content, UGC. UGC is from the people that use your product or service, but in this case, the employees at your company that will create the content for your social media strategy. It's less work for them, but the results are usually much higher than the results of employees. This is a huge win because your employee loves your company or product so much that they would share it on their personal social for their friends, family, and audience to see. 4. Party posts. If your company is like